The concept of the Third Temple is a cornerstone of Jewish eschatology and the subject of intense global interest. According to traditional Jewish belief, the Third Temple will be the final and permanent house of worship to be built on the Temple Mount in Jerusalem. While religious texts differ on whether it will descend from heaven or be constructed by human hands, the core significance remains the same: a restored site for prayer and sacrifice that signals a messianic era of universal peace and spiritual enlightenment. Geopolitically and archaeologically, the prospect of rebuilding remains one of the most complex issues in the modern world. The Temple Mount, known to Muslims as the Haram al-Sharif, currently houses the Dome of the Rock and the Al-Aqsa Mosque, making it one of the most contested religious sites on Earth. Any movement toward reconstruction involves intricate debates over religious law, historical sovereignty, and international diplomacy. Despite these challenges, various organizations continue to prepare for this future by researching ancient blueprints, weaving priestly garments, and crafting the necessary ritual vessels. Ultimately, the vision of the Third Temple transcends its physical architecture, representing a profound hope for the reconciliation of humanity. For many, it symbolizes a house of prayer for all nations, where the barriers between the divine and the mundane are finally dissolved. Whether viewed through the lens of strict religious adherence or as a metaphor for global unity, the Third Temple continues to be a powerful symbol of the enduring human desire for spiritual wholeness and the restoration of a sacred center in the heart of Jerusalem. The anticipation for the Third Temple captivates not only devout Jews but also individuals across various faiths, all hoping for a time when differences would be set aside. The preparations by devoted groups can often seem surreal, with some even invoking the imagery of a renewed Jerusalem, steeped in the most profound significances. As the dream of return takes shape, world events often stir debates surrounding the temple's meaning and what a restored site could entail for the geopolitical landscape and interfaith relations. A convergence of tradition and modernity, the narrative surrounding the Third Temple continues to evolve, inviting curiosity and contemplation from all corners of the globe. Each discussion brings forth new layers, prompting reflections on identity, belonging, and the yearning for unity amidst diversity. As interest grows, scholars and thinkers grapple with how ancient texts align with modern aspirations for the future. The discussions often highlight the symbolic interpretations of the temple's significance, emphasizing themes of reconciliation, hope, and coexistence. Forums and interfaith dialogue emerge as platforms for diverse narratives, allowing voices to share perspectives on what a united future might encompass. Simultaneously, skeptics voice concerns regarding the feasibility of such ambitious reconstruction efforts amid deep-rooted tensions in the region. Nevertheless, the dream of the Third Temple serves as a beacon, illuminating the common humanity shared among people of all beliefs. In this volatile world, the paradigm of a unified sacred space provokes profound questions about faith, identity, and the potential for a transformed reality. As debates rage on, the spirit of the Third Temple invites introspection on how humanity might cultivate peace amidst discord. In various discussions, scholars emphasize that the temple, while a physical structure, represents the yearning for something greater, a harmonious existence that transcends individual religions. Each viewpoint, whether from a mystic lens or a pragmatic stance, adds a unique note to the symphony of voices advocating for unity. As the discussions deepen, some individuals dream of a day when the temple will stand as a bridge, fostering an environment where diverse faiths can coexist in mutual respect. Community leaders envision collaborative efforts that not only revitalize the ancient site but also encourage dialogue among different cultures, promoting an enduring peace. The aspiration is clear: to transform the temple's legacy into a shared vision that uplifts humanity. In this vision, the Third Temple emerges not just as a religious edifice, but as a symbol of universal understanding and connection, a testament to the enduring hope for a world where peace reigns and the sacred transcends boundaries. Together, humanity can dream of a future illuminated by this vision of harmony. The vision of the Third Temple, with its far-reaching implications, serves as a catalyst for interfaith dialogues that challenge traditional boundaries. Various religious leaders and scholars gather to explore how these ancient beliefs can inform contemporary life, emphasizing shared values. As discussions unfold, participants reflect on the possibility of a space that honors diverse traditions while fostering respect among differing faiths. The dialogues range from academic debates to personal testimonies, revealing deep-seated desires for peace and understanding amidst a complex landscape. Engaging the next generation becomes a vital focus, as young activists are inspired to advocate for coexistence through education and empathy. They speak to one another about their dreams for the future, envisioning a time when the Third Temple will embody unity rather than division. In this spirit of hope, various organizations have begun initiatives that emphasize education and cooperation between disparate communities. Workshops and cultural exchanges are taking place, where participants delve into the shared heritage of Jerusalem and its sacred narratives. Such gatherings become a melting pot of ideas, blending unique perspectives while highlighting common threads that bind them together. A noticeable shift occurs, as these interactions allow for meaningful connections to flourish and transcend historical grievances. The resonance of shared dreams becomes palpable, igniting a collective passion for peace among various faiths. Advocates express their vision of a city alive with the rhythm of prayers from different traditions harmonizing together, creating a tapestry of faith that celebrates diversity. As this ambitious vision unfolds, grassroots movements are emerging in neighborhoods across Jerusalem, where individuals from different backgrounds come together to plant the seeds of cooperation. Community gatherings in local parks become venues for storytelling, where participants share their histories and hopes, weaving intricate narratives that honor both personal and collective experiences. These encounters spark relationships rooted in compassion, as people listen intently to one another, fostering a sense of belonging that transcends past conflicts. Through art, music, and shared meals, an atmosphere of warmth envelops these interactions, allowing old divisions to dissolve in the light of newfound understanding. Local leaders champion these efforts, with the desire to cultivate a culture of unity, setting the stage for the broader vision of the Third Temple to resonate throughout society. Each initiative acts as a stepping stone toward a more harmonious coexistence, reinforcing the importance of recognizing both the sacred and the everyday in the journey toward peace. As the momentum builds, the commitment to fostering dialogue reflects an innate understanding that reconciliation requires active participation from all sides. Community members begin to realize that their voices hold power, igniting a movement that seeks not just the rebuilding of a physical structure, but the reshaping of relationships across cultural divides. Workshops hosted by interfaith groups engage participants in discussions about shared values, the significance of forgiveness, and the potential to learn from one another's narratives. Artisans from diverse backgrounds collaborate on projects that symbolize unity, blending cultural motifs into pieces of art that tell stories of hope and shared heritage. The vision of the Third Temple evolves into a collective dream, rooting itself deeply in the hearts of community members who envision a future where their children can thrive in peace. As young people take part in this transformative journey, they share their aspirations, creating a ripple effect of optimism and commitment to coexistence. As the vision of the Third Temple continues to inspire communal efforts, an important realization dawns upon the participants: the path to coexistence must also embrace vulnerability and acknowledgement of past wounds. Elders in the community guide younger generations through stories that evoke both sorrow and resilience, emphasizing the need for healing dialogues. They highlight the significance of patience and understanding in nurturing relationships that were once strained, sharing how the act of listening serves as a bridge to empathy. This perspective fosters an environment where participants can express their fears and hopes freely, gradually dismantling the barriers erected by historical grievances. In this sanctuary of shared experiences, transformation takes root, reinforcing a commitment to a future where their collective legacy is one of peace and mutual respect. As stories intertwine, the power of collective memory becomes evident, forging connections that challenge the status quo. Participants begin to envision the Third Temple not merely as a physical space but as a dynamic center of interfaith activity, where diverse perspectives converge to create a vibrant tapestry of community life. This realization fosters commitment to co-creation, as local artists, musicians, and thinkers collaborate on programs designed to celebrate their shared heritage, intertwining rituals through vibrant performances that resonate across cultural divides. Together, they hope to inspire a new narrative that uplifts their kinship while honoring their individual traditions. As momentum swells, the anticipation for a future where the temple stands not just as a monument but as a living symbol of peace gains traction, urging townsfolk to reaffirm their bonds, cultivate respect, and interlace their dreams for future generations. In the midst of this collaboration, small circles of dialogue emerge within communities where individuals share their stories of hope and dreams for the future. Elder members recount experiences that shaped their faith and resilience, while youth express their aspirations for a new Jerusalem, one that stands as a testament to unity. Each voice adds richness to the narrative, reinforcing the collective yearning for peace and understanding. With every meeting, bonds strengthen, and a newfound sense of empathy flourishes, fostering an environment where differences shine as strengths rather than obstacles to progress. As these initiatives gain momentum, the atmosphere buzzes with optimism and possibility. The dream of the Third Temple stands as a beacon of hope, inspiring a collective vision that transcends borders and beliefs. In this shared journey towards unity, humanity can aspire for a world where faith, understanding, and respect intertwine, illuminating the path to lasting peace among all people.